is Uranus right here, and today we're going to be taking a look at Air Raid. This is part 4 or part 3, whatever you want to say, but here he is. Gotta move it back a bit. He's a jet. He has 2 Autobot symbols on the wings. Focus. Red Autobot symbols. The wings, I love, you can move the wings outward like that. Okay. These move. You can stand him up like that. Make him like look like he's turning into a rocket ship. But yeah. So there he is. Now let's get down to his accessories. So here's his hand-foot gun. And basically you can plug it on right on the top or under here. You can plug it right here or right here. I prefer to plug it up on here. And boom. And then what I gave him for weapons, because the next review I take a look at is going to have the 2 guns he comes with. Well, 1 gun he comes with. And here are the swords that I gave him. They're nice blue swords. You can connect other weapons to them. You can connect them to each other. You're only going to get these swords if you buy the Constructabots Jetfire, and you have to buy 2 of them to get 2 of them. And basically what I do is I plug them under the wings. And boom, there you go. Now let me get him. See, now he looks like he's, there we go. Now he looks like he has actual thrust coming from him. Okay, so let's see, do I have any size? You know what, I'll just do this. For comparison, here he is with Rescue Bots Blades. We'll be doing a review on him if you guys want me to. He is pretty kiddish, and seriously, the transformation is simple. Whoop. You're looking at his crotch. Okay? But that's one of the, that's like the only one I got that's easy to transform without taking up too much time. But yeah, so oh, I have one more. Here he is with the Insecticon Bombshell. I'll be doing a review on him for his weapon mode and okay, and to get down to transformation is very simple. Unplug the weapons. Unplug the weapons. What I like to do is bring up the wings first, and then bring out the arms like so, and then do this. And then I bring the wings up, and then I do the legs, and basically you just fold that down, and then you have to do the knees, and you can see just tabs in. Then I split the legs, then I basically put that down, and then turn around the head, and there you go. There he is. And what I do is I plug his shoulder, the cannon, right in onto his that one. But you can give it to him as a handheld weapon and stuff. But yeah, that's how I display. That's how my character is. So there he is. He's awesome. Now for comparison, here he is with Transformers Combiner Wars and Transformers Beast Hunters Optimus Prime and Combiner Wars Optimus Prime. Let's get these 2 out of the picture. Here he is with the 2 Age of Extinction Optimus Primes. I've done reviews on both of them. There you go. Both of these are Voyagers, by the way. It cost a lot of money. Here he is with Legion's Power Glide. And here he is. And there he is. And I'm just going to do the wave mates for now on that I have so far. That I have reviewed so far. Here he is with Breakdown and Off-Road. Trying to fix him. There you go. And there's how the team's shaping up so far. So yeah. Share these videos with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and have a fan-flippin-tastic day. Bye! So, Airraid, do you know where your leader is? I've been trying to get a hold of Silverbolt, but, I haven't seen him. Do you know where he is? No, I don't, sir. Do you want me to go and fly around and find him? Sure. As long as I get my burritos and pizza bagels. On my way, sir. Good. Bye.